Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Coba sih problem mana ini? Saya sih ini katanya.
Can you see? Am I visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ayush, did you join?
Yes, sir.
Chiranjeev? Junana? Okay. Now see, we are going to derive now some multiple angles. Huh? See, what are multiples angle? So in the last some classes we discussed trigonometric ratios, sum of two angle or difference between two angles like sine A plus B, sine A minus B. So now it will be multiple angles. What is multiple angle? See, if I say sine x, this x is simple, means very simple angle, only x may be 30, 60, 15, whatever. Like we discussed previously, two angle x and y, sine sum of these two angle x and y, x plus y. But now if with angle I multiply 2 or 3, they are called now multiple angles. That means sine 2x, maybe sine 3x. This is the angle x multiply by 3 or multiply by 2, or maybe cos 2x, cos 3x, or maybe tan 2x, tan 3x. So these are called some multiple angles when an angle multiply by 2 or 3 or maybe more than 3 also. So 2x, 3x, these are some very important formula. Let's see how to find. You can say sine 2x or maybe sine 2a. So we got this one, sine x plus y or a plus b. So now this time I have written x and y. So can you tell me what is sine x plus y? Anybody?
Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y.
Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Very good. Now here, if I replace this y by x, in place of y, I want to write again x. Y is, or x is replaced by y, anything. Y is replaced by then it will be sine x plus, in place of y you write x, in place of y you write x, In place of y, write x. So sine x plus x. It will be sine 2x. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sine 2x, and this is sine x cos x plus sine x cos x. Same term added twice. When the same term added twice, can I write like x plus x, twice x? So sine x cos x plus sine x cos x. What can I write?
2 sin x cos x.
2 sine x cos x. Very good. This is the very important formula, multiple angle sine 2x. For now onwards, from this time, when I say sine 2x, so you have to tell me that sine 2x is none other than 2 sine x cos x. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Or you can say sine twice a, or you can say sine twice a, not an issue. Sine twice a. In place of x, I have written here a, so it will be 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a cos a. Is that okay with you? So any one you can write, this one or this one. Now from this, we are going to derive another one, sine 2x in terms of 10. That is very important one. In class 12, we will get lots of application. Sine 2x, how to write in terms of 10x, or sometime even in class 11, it will ask that prove that sine 2x equal to that. So how to get that one, see, means how to convert this one in terms of 10. See, from here, I'll just link it, I'll derive it. So here nothing means denominator, nothing means 1. Can I write in place of 1 cos square x plus sine square x?
Yes, sir.
Because sine square x plus cos square x equal to what? None other than 1. So just I convert the denominator cos square x plus sine square x, that is also 1. Now divide both the numerator and denominator by cos square x. Both numerator and denominator divide by cos square x. So this is cos square x by cos square x plus sine square x by cos square x, and this is 2 sine x cos x divided by cos square x. This is cancel, 1 cos cancel. So twice here sine by 1 cos, there sine x by cos x, 10x, cos square cancel, 1 sine square by cos square is what? So this is the main formula. Sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x, or sometime we'll write sine 2x is 2 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is the very important formula, sine 2x 2 sine x cos x, or equal to 2 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. Lots of application in terms of 10 you will get in 12. In 11, you will get very limited application, but in 12, in many cases, we have to write sine 2x immediately in this form. So when you write these formulas, just make it a box, highlight it. So sine 2x done. Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now come to cos 2x. So again, you write cos x plus y. Can anybody tell me what was cos x plus y? Cos a plus b or cos x plus y? Tell
Cos
anyone.
x cos y minus sin x sin y.
Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay. Here again, we are going to replace y by x. Then we'll get cos 2x. Replace y by x. So in place of y, I'll write here x, cos x. This is cos x. Sin x, it is what? Sin x. So cos 2x, x plus x. What is cos x into cos x?
Cos square x.
Cos square x or cos x whole square, same thing. Cos square x or cos x whole square. Cos square x minus it is what? Sin square x. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the first formula, cos 2x. This is the first one, cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. From here, we'll transfer cos 2x in terms of exclusively sin x, in terms of exclusively cos x, and in terms of exclusively tan x. See, when we are going to write in terms of sin x, cos square x is what? 1 minus sin square x, can I write? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Then minus sin square x is there again. So that is what? 1 minus 2. Is there everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ayush?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Very good. Let's see. Now, first of cos 2x, cos square minus sin square, then in terms of only sin, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. Then in terms of exclusively cos, okay, situation wise, sometime cos 2x we have to write in terms of sin, then we have to use this formula. Sometime we have to write this one, main one. Sometime we have to write in terms of cos only. See, when you write in terms of cos, again write this main formula, cos square x minus sin square x. Now this time you change that sin square x. Can I write sin square is 1 minus cos square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So open the bracket, cos square 2 cos square minus 1. This is another one formula, cos 2x in terms of only cos. So there are three formula till now we got cos 2x, cos square minus sin square, 1 minus 2 sin square, 2 cos square minus 1. Is that okay with you, everyone? If you have doubt, just you ask me immediately, okay? Now देखो, अभी सेम फॉर्मूला को हम लोग इन टर्म्स ऑफ 10 में लिखेंगे, एक्सक्लूसिवली इन टर्म्स ऑफ 10. So again I'll write this main formula. You can't change this order, okay, because minus sign is there, like cos square x plus sin square x or sin square x plus cos square x is always 1, but here cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square. You can't write sin square minus cos square because minus sign is there. So denominator nothing means what?
1.
1.
1. So in place of 1, you just write again cos square x plus sin square x. It is again 1, same thing. Now divide both the numerator and denominator by cos square x. Then we'll get again in terms of 10, both the term numerator denominator. Divide by cos square x. So this is going to cancel one, going to cancel one. So that is 1 minus sine square by cos square tan square x. Then 1 plus sine square by cos square. It is tan square
Tan
x.
square.
So this is the formula of cos 2x in terms of tan. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So all total we got cos 2x 4 formula. Okay, but all the formulas finally I'll write one by one. See, so till now you got cos 2x. First is cos square x minus sine square x, then equal to, you got 1 minus 2 sine square x, then you got 2 cos square x minus 1. Yes, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So finally you can write all this cos 2x, all this in terms of sine, cos, tan, and including the first one by one you can write. So situation wise, sometime we have to write this formula, we have to write this, sometime this, and sometime this one. So this tan one is a lots of application in class 12. So in many cases, we have to use this one in calculus, differentiation, integration, inverse trig function. So lots of cases you will get this application. So from class 11, you have to remember these formulas. Now come to tan 2x. For that, first of all, you recall tan x plus y. Anybody tell me what is tan x plus y? Anyone tell tan x plus y?
10x plus 10y divided by 1 minus 10x into 10y.
Good. 10x plus 10y, 1 minus 10x, 10y. So here again, see, y right replaced by x, y replaced by x, y is replaced by x. So it will be 10 x plus x, 10x plus y is again x, 10x divided by 1 minus 10x, 10x. So that is, so we got 10 2x equal to 10x plus 10x. What will be that? 2
10x.
10x, good. Divided by 1 minus 10x into 10x, 10 square x. So this is 10 2x. So these are all multiples angle, multiple of 2. Sine 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x. So now we are going to derive sine 3x, cos 3x, and tan 3x. Let's see. Sine 3x, I'll give you the formula first and then I'll derive it. So derivation, the 11 it is needed, but when you reach to class 12, then by heart, you have to by heart these formulas. Even in class 11 also, but in class 11, try to derive them so that you can memorize easily. Sine 3x, it is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. See, all are in terms of sine. Sine 3x, 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. These are all simple angle x. No multiple angle, nothing. And sine 3x in terms of sine only. Now, how to derive it? See, this is the multiple angle of sine. Multiple is 3 here. So, with the help of sine x plus y and sine 2x, including cos 2x, we can derive this one very easily. Sine 3x. This 3x, can I write x plus 2x or 2x plus x? Can I write? Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it becomes sine, this is x plus y, suppose the first one, sum of two angle, sine x plus y or sine a plus b. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
And now see, when it is sine 3x, all are in terms of sine and all are simple angle. So this cos 2x, you have to convert in terms of sine. So just now, we have discussed cos 2x exclusively in terms of sine x. Tell me that formula. Cos 2x in terms of sine.
1 minus 2 sine
1
square.
minus 2 sine square x.
Very good. 1 minus 2 sine square x plus cos x. This multiple angle we have to eliminate from here because sine 3x, no multiple angles. So sine 2x, main one. 2 sine x
2 sine x cos x.
cos x multiplied sine x into 1 sine x minus 2 sine x sine square sine cube 2 sine x cos square x, or you can write sine x now this cos square x you have to change into sine because all are in terms of sine. 1 minus sine square x two sine x into 1 2 sine x 2 sine x sine square minus plus minus 2 sine cube x sine x and 2 sine x, write 3 sine x minus this one 2 sine cube minus 2 sine cube minus 4 sine cube x. See the main formula. Did I get that one? Did I get? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sine 3x, 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. It can be asked sometime in the exam. Prove that sine 3x equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. You have to continue from here. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
more doubt now? Ayush, understood? Avinav?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Srilekha, Kalpana. Jyotishman, understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now say cos 3x. The formula is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the main formula. Okay, now. So how to derive, see? First of all, the same thing, right? Cos 3x. Can I write cos x plus 2x? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So this is cos x plus y. Cos x plus what? Y. So what is cos x plus y? Tell me. Cos x, or like cos a plus b. Cos a plus b. Cos a, cos b minus, then
Sin A, sin B.
good. Sin a, sin b. So now you see very carefully this cos 3x is all in terms of cos x and all are simple angle. Cos cube x, cos x. So all you have to convert into simple angle and cos. So this cos 2x multiple angle you have to convert into simple angle, but in terms of cos. Can you tell me cos 2x in terms of cos, exclusively in terms of cos?
2 cos square x minus 1.
2 cos square x minus 1. And sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. Isn't it? Multiply it. 2 cos x cos square cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sine square x into cos x. So this sine square again I have to write cos square because all terms are in terms of cos. 2 cos x. Then this sine square x is 1 minus cos square x. Am I clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now see. Multiply 2 cos cube. 2 cos cube plus 2 cos cube, how much?
4 cos cube.
And minus cos x minus 2 cos x minus 3 cos x. This side is cos 3x. Am I got that one? The formula? Yes, you see. 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x. So this as a question, it will be asked sometime. Show that cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. But most of the cases, you have to by heart it as a formula. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Junaina, you are late. Why?
Sir, forgot.
You have to be always, you have to remember the time, okay?
Yes, sir.
So not my dear class 10, okay? Class 11. You know now the difference between 10 and 11.
Yes, sir.
Class 10, if you miss 2 or 3 class, you can adjust. But in class 11, if you miss one class, until or unless you will not get that class, so very difficult to maintain the next class. Now see 10 3x, the last one. So I'll write first main formula, see 10 3x. It's a very important one, this one. 3 10x minus 10 cube x divided by 1 minus 3 10 square x. All signs are minus. all sign are here, minus, minus, minus 3 10x minus 10 cube x, 1 minus 3 10 square x. Now we are going to derive it again. So again, in the same way you start 10 3x, you can write 10 what? X plus 2x or maybe 2x plus x. Not an issue. Addition is what? Commutative. So this is suppose A and this is suppose B. Can anybody tell me the formula of 10A plus B?
10A
10x
plus B by 1 minus 10A into 10B.
Very good. 10x plus 10 2x divided by 1 minus 10x into 10 2x. Let's see. So all these multiple angles you have to convert into simple angle because all are here, see, simple angle x, x, x. So none other than now it is algebra. The first one is trigonometrical formula I have written, now algebra. 10 2x formula, right? Again, what is the formula of 10 2x? Just now we derive 2
10x
10x
by
1
1
minus 10 square x.
1 minus 10 square x. Very good. 10x into 10 2x. 1 minus 10 square x. So we'll take the LCM in numerator and denominator. 1 minus 10 square x is LCM. Fully now algebra. This is nothing means 1. So 10x into this whole thing. 1 minus 10 square x. Then plus itself to 10x. Divided by this is again 1 minus 10 square x LCM. This into 1 is a 1, 1 minus 1 into this. 1 minus 10 square x minus this is itself. So 10x into 2 10x, 2 10 square x. See the LCM. If anyone having doubt, you can ask me. Simply I took here LCM 1 minus 10 square x. It is 1, 1 into this. Then minus 10x into 2 10x, 2 10 square x. 1 minus 10 square x LCM, this into 10x plus itself 2 10x. So this denominator got cancels in. So then you just simplify there. This side is 10 3x. In the numerator 10x into 1 10x minus 10x into 10 square x is a 10 cube x. Then plus 2 10x divided by 1 minus 10 square x. 10 square minus 2 10 square minus 3 10 square, okay? 3 10 square x. Or you can write 10x plus 2 10x, like term. 3 10x minus 10 cube x, 1 minus 3 10 square x. Did I get the main one? See? 3 10x minus
Yes,
10
sir.
cube x divided by 1 minus 3 10 square x. Hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now come to sub-multiple angles. Okay, first of all, I just show you one application of how to use this 2x and 3x formula. One written everyone, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's see. This is the very important one. Now we are going to find the value of tan 22.5 degree. That is 10 pi by 8. So lots of question you'll get in class 12. 10, whenever you get pi by 8 in class 12, you have to put direct that value. Now see, we got sine 15, cos 15. Okay, that one you have to derive. Okay, that day I derived 10, 15 and 1075. Remember now?
Yes, sir.
1015 was root 3 minus 1 by.
Root 3
Root
plus
3 plus 1.
Now you have to remember this as a table value 1015. Okay, whenever you see this value root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, you are able to say that it is none other than 1015 degrees value. Okay, and when it is 75, then what did you get?
root 3 plus 1 by
Root
root
3
3 minus
plus 1 divided by root 3 minus
Yes.
1.
Other than you can write here, this is 2 minus root 3, here 2 plus root 3. So similarly, you can also find sine 15, like sine 45. You just do it by your own, okay, at home. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that as a value you remember, try to remember. Now we are going to find the value of 10 22.5 degree or 10 pi by 8. The question is find the value of 10 pi by 8. तो अभी अभी जो मैंने फॉर्मूलाज तुम लोगों को बोला मल्टीपल एंगल्स वही सब यूज करके देखो इसका वैल्यू हम लोग इजीली फाइंड करेंगे. देखो पाई बाई 8 मींस इमीडिएटली तुम लोगों को मालूम होना होगा एक्चुअली ये कितना डिग्री है. ओके, सो अगर डिग्री देखोगे तो देखो 180 by 8 कैंसिल करो 4 से 45 by 2 means what 22.5 degree. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
see, you give the name, let a equal to pi by 8. A equal to pi by 8. Then 22.5 degree, the value is not there in the table. So if I multiply by 2, it will be become 45 degree now. Yes,
Yes, sir.
multiply by 2 on both sides. Let's see what is going to happen. So it is twice a, then it is what? Pi by 4. Both the angles are same. Now, though I have to find the value of 10 pi by 8, that's why I have to take here. Since this is the value of 10 pi by 8, you have to take 10 on both sides. 10 twice a, this is 10 pi by 4. Understood up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, you have to find 10a. Huh? You have to find what 10a? Not 10 twice a, 10a. Because a is what? Pi by 8. So once you get the value of 10a, that is called 10 pi by 8. See, what is the advantage of this twice a? When I multiply it by 2, then what is 10 pi by for this side?
1.
1.
1. Very good. And this side, can I write any formula? 10 twice a?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just now we derive the multiple angle of 10 2a. 10 2a is what? Twice?
Twice 10a by 1 minus 10
10x
square
by
a.
1 minus 10 square x.
Very good. You can say that is x, that is a, whatever. So we derive as a x, 10 2x. 2 10x by 1 minus 10 square x. Don't confuse, that is an angle x or a. Multiply by 2. So 2 10a by 1 minus 10 square a. Cross multiply it. 2 10a 1 minus 10 square a. So take all this term in this side, it will become a quadratic equation. So that is 10 square this side, it will be plus now it was minus, then 2 10A this side only, so plus, then take 1 in this side, it was plus, now it will be minus. Now again I let here 10A equal to suppose x. So this will be x square plus 2x minus 1. Can you tell me the name of this equation?
Quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation, very good. So can you tell me that here splitting the middle term is possible or not? See, just analyze the splitting the middle term is possible or not?
Sir, not possible.
No, sir.
Yes. Splitting the middle term is possible, but it will come in square root. By any natural number or whole number or maybe integer, you cannot split the middle term. So therefore, one very important formula was there in quadratic equation. How to find the root? What is the name of that formula?
Quadratic
Quadratic formula.
Quadratic formula. Can you tell me what was that quadratic formula? X equal to
minus b
Minus b
minus
plus
b
minus
minus
root over
b
b square minus
minus
4ac
b
divided by
plus
twice a.
minus root
root
over
over
b
b
square
square minus
4ac by twice a.
twice.
This was discriminant. B square minus 4ac, because the nature of roots depend on b square minus 4ac. If it is less than 0,
Not no real
root
roots.
not
No
exist.
real
Yes,
roots
but
exist.
in class 11, we'll again solve quadratic equation when we start complex number. There we'll get in every case b square minus 4ac less than 0. Means all the roots will be now complex, not real. So that part we'll do later. Now till now here it will be real only. See, can you tell me what is the value of a, b, c?
1, 2, and minus 1.
B is 2. So minus 2 plus minus root over b square, 2 square, 4 into a. What is the value of a? Coefficient of x square,
1.
1. And what is the value of c? Minus 1, including sign. Good. Twice a. Four minus minus plus 4. So this is x. Now you can take x equal to 10a. Yeah? You can write now 10a, not an issue. Minus 2 plus minus root 8 means, can I write 2 root 2? 8, root 8. Can I write 2 root 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. 10a. Now in place of a, again you can write pi by 8. Now if I take these two common, that 2 and these two will be cancelled. So it will be minus 1 plus minus root 2. That 2 is common here and got cancelled. So it will be minus 1 plus minus root 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now there are two value. Segregate that two value individually, right? Minus 1, 1 is plus root 2, minus 1, 1 is minus root 2. Now there are two value, 10 pi by 8. So एक single angle का दो different value नहीं हो सकता है ना? This is sin 30. Sin 30, you got only one value. Sin 30 is what? Half. So similarly, 10 pi by 8, only one value. Now you have to check which one will be accepted and which one will be not. Who can tell me? If you write both the answer, you will not get full mark. If it is 3-mark question, then you will get 1.5. Only because of you did not write the valid reason in the last, you will not get full mark. Tell me, which one will be accept and which one will be not accept? And with reason. Why not accept? With reason. You just analyze, a simple analyze you do. You already know, huh? If I say, then immediately you can recall. But I want that by yourself, you can find out or not, please try. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Just you analyze by
Yes,
your
sir.
own.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 10 pi by 8 will be on the third quadrant, so -1 plus root 2 will be
Pi by 8,
accepted.
pi by 8.
Sir,
where
first
third quadrant?
quadrant.
Pi by 8. Pi by 8 is what?
22.5.
You are correct, but you are going in the right direction. But you told that pi by 8 is in third quadrant. That is your mistake. Understood? Pi by 8 is what?
Yes. 22.5.
22.5 degree. Where it lies? In the first quadrant or third?
First.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. When it is in the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios values are what?
Positive.
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 Positive. Very good. Between these two, which one is positive?
-1 plus root 2.
-1
First
plus
one,
root 2.
root 2 minus 1, because root 2 is more than 1 point something. So 1 point something minus 1 point something, positive value. But here both are negative, that is not accepted. So write, since pi by 8 lies on the first quadrant, therefore 10 pi by 8 root 2 minus 1. My dear, your observation should be very good, okay? From there, see, lots of place you will get where you already got the concept, but how to utilize it, that thing you have to work. इसमें तुमको वर्क करना होगा. ऑलरेडी तुम लोगों को मालूम है, देखो यहाँ से तुम लोग अटक गया कि कौन सा आंसर करेक्ट होगा. ये ऑलरेडी तुम लोगों को मालूम है. ये एंगल फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में थोड़ा डीप लेवल में जाना होगा, एनालाइज करना होगा कि ये एंगल कितना है, वो कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट में, वो लिंक तुमको ढूंढना होगा. देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू गेट द आंसर. सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से सोचने से नहीं होगा. सो अभी से तुमको याद रखना है 10 पाई बाई 8 का वैल्यू कितना है?
Root 2 minus 1.
Root 2 minus 1.
यस, वेरी गुड. उसको तुम लोग किसी कागज में लिखिए, सब एंगल जो मिला है अभी अभी, जो एंगल मिल रहा है 15, 10, 15, 75, साइन 15, साइन 75, कॉस 15, कॉस 75, 10, 22.5, ये सब बाद में तुमको मतलब बाई हार्ट याद रखना होगा. क्लास 12 में मिलेगा रूट 2 minus 1 10x. देखो कैसे तुमको मिलेगा 10x रूट 2 minus 1. हाउ कैन यू से व्हाट विल बी x? x एंगल कितना है?
22.5.
यस, पाई बाई 8. सो ये कहां से लिंक मिलेगा? ये क्लास 11 से. सो हर टाइम में तुमको क्लास 12 में तुम ये सब डिराइव नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ये अभी से तुमको याद रखना होगा. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now another one, see, another one very important angle is there, 18 degree. So sin 18 डिग्री का वैल्यू अभी हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. ये क्वेश्चन में भी देता है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 18 डिग्री. इसको भी तुम लोग पाई में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. ये पाई बाई 10 है. देखो पाई बाई 180 इंटू 18 डिग्री. सो क्या होगा? पाई बाई 10, और कैन बी आस्क साइन पाई बाई 10. So 18 degree or pi by 10. Am I clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
देखो अगेन नाम दो. लेट a इक्वल टू पाई बाई 10 और 18 डिग्री, कुछ भी दो, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो इसको तो देखो 45 नहीं बना सकते, 30 भी नहीं बना सकते. जो टेबल में उसमें ट्राई करो. 18 को कुछ
Sorry.
मल्टीप्लाई. Yes. Yes, anyone?
So we can multiply it by 5.
Yes, we can convert it into 90 degree very easily. So because 5 by 10 multiplied by 5, it will be pi by 2, that is 90. So multiply by 5 karo both side. $90 डिग्री। ये अभी मैं ये एज ए क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ, बाद में तुमको ये साइन 18 डिग्री का वैल्यू तुमको याद रखना होगा। ये 5a को लिखो 3a प्लस 2a। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now what to do? Tell anybody. Any idea?
Both
Sir,
side we
I
have to add
guess
sign.
हाँ बोलो।
Multiply both side by sign.
एक टर्म उस तरफ लेके साइन लोगे तो ज्यादा इजी होगा, नहीं तो तुमको इस तरफ साइन 3a 2a दो फॉर्मूला मिलेगा। तो एक टर्म उस तरफ लेके अगर साइन लिखोगे ज्यादा इजी होगा। देखो अगर तुम बोथ साइड साइन लोगे, देखो क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा। इस तरफ तुमको देखो साइन 3a साइन ए बी ए प्लस बी का फॉर्मूला लिखना होगा, बहुत एक टीडीएस फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा। साइन 3a देन cos 2a प्लस cos 3a sin 2a ना।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
इसमें
sir.
से आ रहा देखो मल्टीपल एंगल है, तो इसको ब्रेक करना होगा। तो बेटर एक टर्म उस तरफ लो 90 माइनस देन साइन लो, शॉर्टकट हो जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
कौन सा टर्म लोगे देखो।
Sir, 3a.
3a, okay, take 3a on that side. Twice a equal to 90 minus 3a. Let's see. Now write sign on both sides. Sin 2a is what?
2 sin A cos A.
2
Sin A
sin A
good.
cos A.
2 sin a cos a. Very good. Sin 90 minus, this is one acute angle, 3 into 18, 54. What is sin 90 minus theta?
Cos 3A.
Cos theta, cos 3a. So cos 3a का भी फॉर्मूला मिला है, देखो मिला है ना।
Yes, sir.
क्या मिला था बोलो।
4
4
cos cube minus 3 cos A.
cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So fully I am applying these multiple angles, but their applications है sin 2a cos 3 का फॉर्मूला। नाउ यहाँ से cos a कॉमन आएगा, देखो राइट साइड में, एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक cos वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा। 2 sin a into cos a, and that side cos a common, 4 cos square a minus 3. This cos a cancel. Did you understand after this? Everyone say. Anyone having any question here?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can't we use sign sign bracket 90 minus 3a as sin A minus B?
वो यूज करोगे, देखो तब भी होगा, मतलब उसमें देखो तुमको क्या मिलेगा। अगर तुम वो साइन ए माइनस बी लिखोगे तो थोड़ा मेहनत करना होगा उसमें। साइन ए कॉस बी माइनस कॉस ए साइन बी। तो साइन 90 इज व्हाट, 1 ना।
1.
Yes, sir.
तो दैट इज कॉस 3a माइनस, उसमें क्या है, कॉस 90 कितना है,
0.
0। सो होल टर्म 0। तो अल्टीमेटली तुमको घूम फिर के क्या मिल रहा है, देखो तो
4 cos 3a.
cos 3 वही मिला, देखो cos 3a मिला, बट रॉन्ग होने का चांसेस रहता है कैलकुलेशन में। अगर कहीं पे मिस्टेक किया है तो डायरेक्ट देखो कि उसमें और शॉर्टकट है कि नहीं। तो वही मिला है, देखो साइन 90 माइनस थीटा, मैंने cos थीटा लिखा। और तुम अगर उसको, अगर देखो ये फॉर्मूला से तुमको डिफरेंट वैल्यू मिलेगा एंड इससे डिफरेंट वैल्यू मिलेगा, तो मैथ्स का लिंक नहीं रहेगा ना। अंडरस्टूड।
Yes, sir.
एक फॉर्मूला कब फॉर्मूला होता है, याद रखना, कि जब तक वो किसी और चीज को वायलेट नहीं करता है। अगर इसको मैं यहाँ से लिखा हूं, जाके वही चीज मुझे नहीं मिलता है, तो मतलब क्या है, ये फॉर्मूला रॉन्ग है कहीं पे। अंडरस्टूड। तो तुमको जाके वही वैल्यू मिलेगा एक टाइम में, बट कैलकुलेशन एक लाइन 2 लाइन ज्यादा करना पड़ सकता है। अंडरस्टूड नाउ।
Yes, sir. सर तो बाकी में भी वैसे 90 माइनस थीटा या फिर 90 प्लस थीटा नहीं कर सकते?
हाँ हाँ, 90 माइनस थीटा में डायरेक्ट तुमको जो मिला है वो ही लिख दो। देखो जब ये 90 प्लस थीटा, ये 90 माइनस थीटा है, तो इसका एक इंडिविजुअल फॉर्मूला है ही ना, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे तुमको साइन ए माइनस बी लिखने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है। लिखोगे तब भी तुमको होगा, आंसर वही मिलेगा, बट एक दो लाइन तुमको ज्यादा लिखना होगा, वही है। अंडरस्टूड।
Yes, sir.
साइन 90 माइनस थीटा कॉस थीटा ही मिलेगा, फिर तुम उसको साइन ए माइनस बी में लिखो, जाके वही कॉस थीटा ही मिलेगा। बट गुड क्वेश्चन। अंडरस्टूड दिस वन।
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
नाउ डू वन थिंग, द सबको सेम ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक में लाओ, ताकि इसको एक इक्वेशन बना के सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। सो दिस cos square a, can I write 1 minus sin square a?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Twice sin a, 4 minus 4 sin square a minus 3. So ये हो गया 2 sin a, 4 minus 3 1 minus 4 sin square a. ओके, तो 4 sin square a को इस तरफ लेके आओ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, तो अगेन एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मिलेगा। देखो, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
वेरी गुड। ये प्लस हो गया, ये इस तरफ था प्लस ही है, 1 को इस तरफ लेके आया, माइनस हो गया। तो अगेन साइन ए इक्वल टू, सपोज मैं करता हूं x, सो दिस बिकम नाउ 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 1 0। सो अगेन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, अगेन क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला अप्लाई, x इक्वल टू minus b, b is 2, b square 4a, a is 4, c is minus 1, twice a 4. So that is, देखो क्या मिला, x इक्वल टू, सो माइनस 2 प्लस माइनस ये 4 माइनस माइनस प्लस 16 रूट 20 डिवाइडेड बाई 8। 20 मतलब 4 into 5, 4 square root 2. Understood? Root 20 to root 5. Yes. एक 2 कॉमन लेके आओ ऊपर, तो -1 प्लस माइनस रूट 5 divided by it, cancel it 4. So this x you can write now sin a. So again write a is pi by 10 or 18 degree, -1 इसमें दो वैल्यू है, प्लस 5/4 एक रूट प्लस रूट 5 और एक माइनस रूट 5/4. देखो इसमें भी दो वैल्यू है. नाउ फिल्टर करो कौन सा वैल्यू एक्सेप्ट होगा, कौन सा वैल्यू नॉट.
सर -1 प्लस √/5 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 एक्सेप्टेड होगा.
Yes, ये not accepted because 18 degree lies where?
फर्स्ट
First
क्वाड्रेंट.
Quadrant.
18 degree lies and first quadrant. Therefore, sin 18 degree -1 plus √5/4 or √5 minus 1/4. इसको अभी से तुम लोग को याद रखना होगा. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 18 degree. Understood?
सर सेम मेथड के थ्रू हम cos और tan के लिए भी निकाल सकते हैं.
हाँ, cos को हम लोग अभी इतना लंबा प्रोसेस में नहीं जाएंगे बिकॉज sin स्क्वायर प्लस cos स्क्वायर 1 होता है ना.
Yes, sir.
यस
So
सर.
cos square 18 can I write 1 minus sin square 18?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस
देखो
सर.
मैं एक लाइन दिखा देता हूँ. तो sin 18 आ गया. ज्यादातर ये sin 18 का वैल्यू तुमको चाहिए एंड cos 18. tan 18 बहुत रेयर है, लेकिन sin 18 एंड cos 18 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देखो नाउ cos square 18 यू कैन राइट 1 minus sin square 18. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
So
यस सर.
1 minus sin square 18 means sin 18 whole square. You can write sin 18 whole square. अभी देखो तुम्हारे पास sin 18 का वैल्यू है √5 minus 1/4 whole square. लिख सकता हूँ ना?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
तो अभी इसमें थोड़ा एल्जेब्रा अरिथमेटिक करो. This 4 square is 16. ऊपर है a minus b whole square. √5 square is 5 minus twice a into b √5 into 1 plus b square 1 square is 1. 1 minus 16 ये हो गया 6 minus 2 √5. यहाँ पे 2 कॉमन ले लो. कॉमन लेके नीचे कैंसिल करो 16 के साथ. तो ये बन जाएगा 8, ये बन जाएगा 3 minus √5. तो एज ए होल 8 एलसीएम ले लेता हूँ. 8 माइनस ये ब्रैकेट में डालना होगा, सामने माइनस है. इस तरफ है तुम्हारा cos स्क्वायर 18 डिग्री. 8 minus 3 plus √5. 5 plus √5/8. ठीक है यहाँ तक. एनी डाउट?
No,
नो
sir.
सर.
वेरी गुड. ये cos स्क्वायर 18 आ गया. अभी यहाँ से मुझे cos 18 जानना है. तो यहाँ से अगर स्क्वायर हटाएंगे उस तरफ प्लस माइनस √ओवर आ जाएगा. 5 plus root 5 by 8. But एक बात है देखो, cos 18 degree again lies on first quadrant, so positive वाला accept होगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So cos 18 degree होगा root over 5 plus root 5 by 8. तो रूट को अगर सेपरेट लिखना चाहते हो तो लिख सकते हो, नीचे रूट 8 ऊपर, नीचे रूट 8 ऊपर रूट 5 plus root 5. Root 8 means what? 2 root 2. 5 plus root 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the value of cos 18 degree. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी 10 18 इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हो, sin 18 by cos 18. तो दोनों वैल्यू है, सो डिवाइड करने से आ जाएगा. और एक छोटा चीज बोल देता हूँ, अगर मान लो तुम लोगों को बोला है कि sin 36 डिग्री का वैल्यू फाइंड करो, अगर बोलता है तो इसको तुम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हो, sin 36 इक्वल टू sin 2 into 18 डिग्री लिख सकता हूँ ना.
Yes, sir.
ये
Yes, sir.
18 को मानो a, तो ये बन गया sin twice a का फॉर्मूला बन गया.
Yes, sir. 2 sin 18 cos.
Yes, sir.
yes, 2 sin a cos a, that multiple angle application देखो, sin 2 into 18, तो 18 बन गया a, तो 2 sin a cos a. अब ये दोनों वैल्यू तुम्हारे पास है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4, cos 18 root over 5 plus root 5 by 2 root 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So ऐसे करके तुम लोग sin 36 cos 36 भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. So अगर 18 आ जाता है, उसके बाद multiples of 18 easily you can find by using the multiples angle का फॉर्मूला. अगर तुमको बोलते हैं cos 36, ऐसे लिख सकते हो cos 2 into 18, तो इसको तुम लोग मेन फॉर्मूला में भी डाल सकते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइन या cos. तो cos square 18 minus sin square 18. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
cos square 18, देखो cos 18 था 5 plus root 5 by 2 root 2, then whole square हो गया, और उस तरफ root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square हो गया. तो अभी उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, बाकी वैल्यू तुम लोगों को मिल जाएगा. 2 square 4, root 2 square 2 8, 4 रूट हट गया, ये हो गया 16. इसको ब्रेक कर देना, 6 minus 2 root 5, 2 से कैंसिल करो. These are lots of important derivation. 2 कॉमन आएगा, 3 minus root 5 by 8. 8 LCM ले लो, फाइव प्लस रूट 5, ये हो गया -3 प्लस रूट 5, 2 प्लस 2 रूट 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कॉमन लेके आओ, 1 प्लस रूट 5 by 4. ये बहुत टाइम पूछते हैं, प्रूव दैट sin 36 इक्वल टू 1 प्लस मींस रूट 5 प्लस 1 by 4. ये sin 30 सॉरी cos 36 का वैल्यू. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
By
sir.
the next formula, by the next class, all the trigonometric formulas will finish, okay?
Yes, sir.
And then we'll
Okay,
do
sir.
some application, okay?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
Yes, tell.
Okay, sir.
सर sin 36 का अल्टीमेट मतलब आंसर क्या आएगा?
मल्टीप्लाई करो उसको, उसमें मल्टीप्लाई करो उसको, ये हो गया 4√2, ये हो गया √5 - 1 इंटू 5 प्लस √5, इसको ऐसे ही रखना, हाँ? ठीक है?
ओके सर, मैं वही सोच रही थी ऐसे रखना है
हाँ।
कि और करना है.
हाँ, ऐसे ही रख देना उसको।
ओके सर.
चलो, बाय, ओके?
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक
Bye
यू,
bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू।